friends, so welcome to today's video. I am unboxing my Play by Sephora. I got it in the mail last week and I'm now getting around to doing the video on it. Shame on me for taking so long, but it is the back to school beauty. So we're gonna dig in because I haven't even messed with this. It's been sitting in my beauty room for about a week's time. So as always, with these Sephora Play boxes, you get 50 beauty points that you can just get added to your card, your Beauty Insider card, or your VIB, whatever level you're at. And you don't have to have a minimum purchase with it. So I thought that was so cool. It almost has that back to school kind of notebook vibe to it. It's really, really cool. At first when I saw the little emojis maybe, I guess that's what they're called. It almost looks like they're stickers, but they're not. It's just the way they kind of look. They look like stickers. They try to tricksy me. So my nephew, when he was a little baby, instead of saying "you tricked me," he would say "you tricksy me." And so we've been. I mean, he's already like 10 years old. So we've been saying it his whole life. I even say it. Us, the adults in the family, we're like, "You tricksy me." It's just kind of an inside thing. But anyways, of course, as always, they will post pictures, info, all that good stuff on the inside of that. I never read these things. I just go straight into the makeup because that's the most important thing, right? So really cute little packaging. I like the little makeup brushes on there and the pencil and the ruler. Very cute, very summery as well. So we're digging in. And of course, the first thing that I kind of feel upon is a foil packet. Somebody left a comment, I think in my last unboxing, that they're doing, I guess they're kind of mixing up the fragrance samples with foil packets. So this will be the second box that I got a foil packet instead of fragrance. But it's okay because this is the Southern Belle Dry Bar Shampoo. It's volumizing shampoo, which actually I've been meaning to try volumizing shampoos to see if I can get some more life into this hair. So I'm going to try it and see if it's any good. Any of you use their shampoos? I haven't. I've tried the Dry Bar, like the Detox Dry Shampoo, really like that. I have their Velcro rollers. Those work really well as well. So yeah, I'm excited about that. And, you know, I'm not as ticked about the foil packets, especially if it's something that I'm interested in trying. If it's something that I'm never going to use, I'm like, well, great. I'll just find somebody. Your neighbor. There you go. You're welcome. Okay, so the next thing. Oh, speaking of hair products, it's the Moroccan Oil Dry Texture Spray. I don't think I've ever tried this. I have the Moroccan Oil in my bathroom, like the mini size, to use on my hair and on my ends. So I'm excited about this. I could use some texture spray. I have the one from Kristen S that you buy from Target that I really enjoy using. It's very lightweight. It doesn't make my hair feel sticky and kind of goopy, which sometimes when you overload with products, it can do that. And I just don't like that, especially if I just wash my hair. I'm like, really? I just took the time to wash my hair and now it feels like it's dirty again. I don't like that, so I'm hoping that this does not leave my hair feeling kind of weird. So I'm excited about that. I can always use that or save it for when I travel. The Benefit Hula Bronzer. I actually have a travel size one of this, but it's quite old, so I probably should discard that. But it's so cute. Look at that. It's like a tiny little, this is cute. I've actually used this as bronzer. I've also used it as transition all over the lid. Sometimes slap it on with nothing else but mascara to kind of give some dimension to the lid. Oh, the joys of filming and being a one-woman show. Oh my gosh. So I was talking. I don't know how far I got. And then I look and then it's not even recording. I had no space on my memory card. So I had to clear it out. And we're gonna do this again. So I think it recorded the dry texture spray from Moroccan Oil. I'm not even going to get into that whole spiel because I'm kind of a little irritated because I was talking and I didn't realize, and that's why I always try to kind of look at my monitor to make sure, because I don't have someone behind the screen telling me, hey, lady, you're not even filming. Okay, so Hula Bronzer from Benefit. This was in here. I put it back in the packaging, but of course, you may not have seen that. So it's a small little one. I've used this before. I actually have an old one that I need to get rid of. It's been there for a few years in my collection. Alright, so as I'm editing, I'm realizing that the camera also did not record the part that I was talking about, the Dr. Dennis Gross C+ Collagen Deep Cream. And just kind of wanted to show you this was also in there because there was more product, but unfortunately the camera decided to just stop doing its job. But anyways, this sample is a moisturizer that's infused with vitamin C, and they have a few other products with the C plus collagen range within the Dr. Dennis Gross line, and I'm excited about this because I love vitamin C. The texture of this on the inside, and it is quite full, so I do appreciate when they do that. I want to get as much bang for my buck as I can, and of course it shifts through the shipping process, so once it settles, it'll be a little bit more full. It looks like there's a big chunk missing, but there's a little bit in the cap as well. But that's the texture of it, quite thick. I'm not going to stick my fingers in there because I have not washed my hands, and you guys know how I feel about that. But this is what it looks like. Okay, so the next thing is the NARS Pro Prime Smudge Proof Primer, which is really awesome because I could use more primer. My lids get oily. And it's actually a pretty good size. I have tried this before, though. So it looks like this. Nice little sample size, and this is pretty good size for travel, for everyday use. You only need a little bit. It works really well. I remember getting the NYX one. I forget what it's called by NYX. That is supposed to be like the cheaper kind of dupe, if you will, for this. But it works well. I've used it. It's just a little bit more expensive. NARS is generally a little bit pricey. What else? Ooh, okay, so the last thing that I have is a Makeup Forever lipstick. Now, I've had their lipsticks before. I'm going to get tongue twisted here. But the last time they sent me a Makeup Forever lipstick, it was a really dark kind of vampy shade. I think it was like at the beginning of the year. But I don't know what this one is. This is number C211, Artist Rouge Creme, which I like cream formulas. Ooh, do you guys see how pretty that is? Focus camera. Really, really nice. Let's swatch this. Ooh, that is super creamy, and I just wore down the very tip of it because it's just that creamy. And it has kind of like a, at first when I looked at it, I was like, oh, that's a nice kind of rose color. But when I swatched it, it has kind of like a rosy kind of mauve, purpley kind of, do you see where I'm going with this? So it's kind of like a rosy kind of mauve shade. So it's definitely not a nude like what I'm wearing today. I definitely would have to kind of work this around the eye look because I don't think it would go with what I'm wearing today with the purples. But it is a pretty shade. It's very creamy, and I will use it. So I'm excited about that. Anyway, so that is it. That was a very short, quick, straight to the point video. I don't want to take up too much of your time. I know you guys are busy. I've been so busy lately, which is why there's been a lot of kind of gaps in between uploads. So kind of let's get into a little bit of an update because I don't want to just not post and not tell you guys. I want to keep you guys in the loop. So that's why I always encourage you to follow me on Snapchat because I'm always on there. Not every day, but I'm trying to get better at being there more frequently and kind of in tune with you guys and connecting with you so that if you don't have a video to watch, at least there's some connection there and I'm posting something on Snapchat. So definitely tune in. It'll pop up always on the screen here, and I've been doing that lately with my videos so that it's easier so you don't have to look through the description box and read through to kind of figure out where my username for Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, all that jazz. I have all those social media outlets, so definitely follow me there if you're interested. Things have just been crazy. As I've mentioned before, I used to be a stay-at-home mom, and now I am a mom that but wants to go out there and start my career. So I've been working on that. So I'm a working mom now and trying to juggle having a kid that's in school for the first time, life, work stuff, trying to find that balance, and then also find time to come in here and kind of step away from everything and just film. So, okay, so I'm going to take the hint from my camera and just kind of stop where I'm at because I'm literally charging my battery. It literally said no more battery, and it just shut off. Everything just shut off. So, anyways, I don't really know where I was going with that update, but I'm going to try to continue filming, and if I don't get to do my 2 videos a week, I'm going to try to do at least 1 video a week. So kind of just bear with me as I figure out how to get everything going and managing my time and working with my planner and just kind of making sure that I've got the time to dedicate to my family, my, work stuff with my clients, and then YouTube, and then having some me time because I need some me time somewhere in there. So just bear with me, and I hope you guys are on the ride for this new chapter down this new journey and see where that takes us. And so I really am looking forward to sharing this next chapter in my life with you guys. So I do appreciate you guys for tuning in, for hanging in there, even when there's a week where there's no videos posted. and then you come back and you still tune in and you still care. I really do appreciate that, and I mean that from the bottom of my heart. It really does mean a lot to me, so I appreciate you very much. And I hope you enjoyed this quick little unboxing video. I'm going to get back to work and get back to some other things that I'm doing, and I hope you guys have a fabulous day. Thank you for being you. Thank you for being here with me and sharing some of your day. Don't forget to follow me on social media. As I said earlier, if you're interested in seeing my life off camera, that's the place to find me. Take care, you guys, and I will see you very soon.